Hello and welcome. Since macOS Monterey, you may have noticed Quick Note popping from the bottom right corner of the screen whenever your pointer touches the corner. Well, to stop this from happening, right-click on the desktop and choose Change Desktop Background. On the window that opens, select the Screensaver tab. Now click on Hot Corners button at the bottom right side, and on the next window that appears, open the bottom right drop-down menu and change the selection from Quick Note to Dash. Now click OK and close the window. Please like if it helped you, subscribe to see more tutorials, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.